Tell me how you think you did on your chemistry final. You're so dumb. What are you going to do on your wedding? Are you going to just do that on your wedding the whole time?
I have herpes.
Alright, Rach. Besides for that, how did you do on your chemistry final?
Well, I copied half of Carol's answers, so I hope that she was doing it. That's all I have to say about that one.
Well, considering Carol's still taking the test.
No, not half. Only about 6 or 7.
Yeah, I did that on the first couple too.
Unfortunately, I got stuck sitting next to you, so
Alexa.
How'd you do? How'd you do, Jolie?
Yeah. I was like, you guys
Jolie, how'd you do?
I think I did good up until like the last 2 pages.
That's positive.
Like, this is serious. I can't believe you're thinking of video.
I'm sorry. I'm not bad.